Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will put about b equals to this one and q equals to this one. So we have the s, that means we need to do first the derivative of b with respect to y. So we have y and y squared in here. First the derivative of y, we have number 1. So we have 6x. This one we have 2y. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0 in here. And we have like this. Next we have dy, that means we need to do first the derivative of q with respect to s. So we have s squared and s. So this one we have 2s. This one we have number 1. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0 in here. And we can see that this one and this one, they are same. So that is about exact. Now we need to set up about the function fxy. Fxy equals to the integration, so I will select about this one plus 3xy. So the integration of 6x, we have 3x squared y. This one we don't have s, so you got about 2xy squared. This one, the integration of number 5, we have 5x. Next, we need to do first the derivative of f with respect to y. So this one, we have number 1. So we have 3x squared. This one we have 2y. So number 2 and number 2, we have number 4. This one we don't have, so you got number 0. So we know that this one equals to this one. Now we simplify 3x squared for xy, for x squared for the both sides. And now we just have like this. Next, we need to put the integration for the both sides. And now we have like this. So this one, we put this one cone here. The integration of this one, we have 3xy. 3xy equals to this one. And we know that this one equals to fxy. Fxy equals to c. And now we can simplify like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching.